So today we're going to show you how to make a balloon mosaic for any celebration using a template from Etsy. The things you need are listed in the description of this video. First is to download the letter, number, or shape template from Etsy. Then print the template. Our Etsy store has a variety of templates including letters, numbers, and different kinds of shapes. Arrange the template using the coordinates on the bottom right corner of each page. The notation is similar to which is used to refer cells in Microsoft Excel. Letters mark the columns so that they go from A to Z, which is followed by AA, AB, AC, and so on. Numbers mark the rows. Assemble the poster in the order found on the screen. Take note that the position marker may overlap. Cut or fold the margins in order for the parts to connect. Use tape to connect the pages together. Once the letter, number, or shape is formed, cut it out to remove the white background. Make sure to cut out the inner parts of the letter, number, or shape if there is or are any. Set the template aside. Connect the foam boards together using a low temperature glue gun. The number of foam boards needed depends on the size of the template. Place the template on top of the foam board and trace the letter, number, or shape. Using a cutter, cut the foam board following the trace marks. To make the mosaic more stable, cut out long pieces of foam board and glue them onto the back of the mosaic where the foam boards meet. To add the sides or border to your foam board, cut the remaining foam boards vertically with a width of about 6 to 6.5 inches. Cut as many of these as you need depending on the size of your mosaic. Using a meter stick or a ruler, cut halfway, not all the way, through the foam board with about an inch between every cut. This will allow the foam board to bend or curve to make it easier for you to add the borders. If you want to add lights to your mosaic, cut holes in the areas where you want your lights to be. We wanted lights in the eyes, nose, and mouth. Using a glue gun, glue the borders to the inner and outer linings of your template. Add your lights through the back of the foam board. Cover the lights with bond paper and table plastic cover. Now it's time to add the balloons. Stick the balloons onto the foam board using a low temperature glue gun, tape, or glue dots. We recommend starting with the larger balloons to fill up the space and using the smaller balloons to fill in the gaps. And you're done! You have a balloon mosaic of the letter, number, or shape of your choice. This is perfect for any celebration or even photo shoots. Don't forget to tag us on Instagram at sweetfusion_il with a photo of your balloon mosaic. We hope your balloon mosaic adds life to your celebration. Thanks for watching!